The ongoing initiatives of the Bermuda Monetary Authority has actually provided us a lot of opportunities to learn a lot of new things.
Joining the authority gave me the opportunity to specialize in a new area of law.
The transition from being a public accountant in Kenya to being a regulator in Bermuda wasn't very difficult.
Making the transition from an audit firm to the Monetary Authority was quite easy. I could rely on a lot of the skills I had learned as an accountant and as an auditor. At the same time, there were lots of new areas I had to develop skills in.
I moved from Manchester to Bermuda in 2005 and I found the move to be very easy.
I was in public accounting, I had a short stint in industry, and I found the transition to the authority quite seamless because there were a lot of transferable skills that I had acquired.
Well, I'm a senior analyst in the insurance supervisory division.
I am responsible for the trust and investment business and fund administration business within the banking, trust and investment department.
I work in the authorizations division.
I work in the policy unit.
As Deputy Director of Insurance Supervision at the Bermuda Monetary Authority, my primary responsibility is for the supervision of Bermuda groups and large commercial enterprises.
I absolutely love being a supervisor right now.
We are particularly concerned, of course, with financial stability. I'm blessed to work with a team of very talented individuals who support me in my task of putting out various reports, as well as providing technical expertise in areas of insurance and banking and other sectors.
Pilot group on site is for the Solvency II equivalency. It's a group supervision, which is kind of a new thing for the Bermuda Monetary Authority. We did that last year, and I'm just so proud to have been part of that project.
In the course of pursuing Solvency II equivalence in the authorizations division, we've had to update our policies and procedures to ensure that they are aligned with the enhancements to the framework.
I practiced as a commercial litigator in Manchester, England.
Before I came to the BMA, I worked with HSBC, which is a local branch here, for 21 years.
I was an assistant underwriter in an excess casualty department for an insurance company.
In Canada, I worked for the Office of the Superintendent of Financial Institutions, which is responsible for the regulation of banks.
I joined the BMA after 6-7 years at the National Monetary Fund.
Prior to coming to work at the Bermuda Monetary Authority, I spent 8 years in public accounting.
The ability to interact with a diverse group of people.
What Bermuda is currently doing in the regulatory market and being sort of a leading regulator on the insurance side.
The regulatory sector in Bermuda is quite unique.
That's the reason why I actually came to Bermuda, because I wanted to develop my experience in risk management.
I believe BMA is a special place to be.
We have people here from the United States, from Canada. The origins are from places like Morocco, the Philippines, India.
As a Bermudian, I definitely see that the Bermuda Monetary Authority is a place of growth. Certainly gives us a lot of career opportunities, and there's an awful lot of emphasis on training and development.
I'm a Bermudian. I lived abroad for 17 years, and I do feel that the BMA is a very good opportunity for Bermudians.
I was born and raised in Germany, and then spent my teenage years there, and then moved to the UK, studied there. And then about 10 years ago moved to the US.
The type of people we are looking for in insurance supervision are people that are analytical, people that are good at problem solving, people that are articulate, and people that are confident. The culture for insurance supervision is a work hard, play hard culture. We ensure that not only do we collaborate on technical issues, but we ensure that we have team building activities to facilitate relationships between the team members. We ensure that the office is set up so that it fosters a collaborative environment.
Bermuda may be a relatively small group of islands in the North Atlantic with a combined landmass of just 21 square miles, but it has long punched above its weight. Bermuda is a global insurance center. With more than 1,200 international insurance and reinsurance companies and a combined capital base in excess of $185 billion, the Bermuda market is home to 15 of the largest reinsurers in the world. Additionally, Bermuda is a leader in insurance-linked securities and captive insurance, second only to the United States in the number of captive company registrations. Bermuda also has a strong banking, trust, and investment sector. International businesses create roughly 4,000 jobs in Bermuda and generate the lion's share of gross domestic product of $5.8 billion. While financial services attract thousands of business visitors every year, Bermuda's pink sands and mild climate continue to lure vacationers. Bermuda's goal is to remain a provider of high-quality financial regulation and supervision. If you think you can help us achieve this objective, check out the careers information on our website, bma.bm. Better still, come to one of our information briefings in London or Bermuda. The real question is not why you would want to work for the BMA. The real question is why wouldn't you?